This is the Truss by Gerber. With the Truss, we took everything that users loved about the suspension and optimized the tool pack to deliver even more functionality. With 17 tools, you'll be able to handle any challenge that comes your way. This butterfly open multi-tool features spring-loaded pliers. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse pliers, and wire cutters. Bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver, saw, serrated blade, wire stripper, large flathead driver, fine edge blade, cross driver, scissors, awl, ruler, file, medium flathead driver. Locking outboard tools offer quick access and safe use. The Truss comes in a nylon sheath, available in either dual mount or MOLLE compatible options. From the job site to the campsite, the Truss delivers professional grade tools in a compact frame.
The Sun and Moon Chaparral features a two-toned format and painstakingly executed inlays in both sides of the G10 handle. Both inlays are perfect circles and are seamlessly fitted into their respective scales before being sanded smooth and polished. The Chaparral Sun and Moon features slim, linerless construction that keeps its overall weight to a scant 2.3 ounces. At only 0.33 inches thick, its handle also provides support for the knife's sturdy backlock mechanism and is home to a reversible deep pocket wire clip that provides a choice of left or right side tip-up carry. The knife's thin, leaf-shaped blade is full flat ground from CTS XHP stainless steel and has a handsome satin finish. Mirroring the completely symmetrical ergonomics of the handle, the blade features a fully accessible trademark round hole that allows easy one-handed opening with either hand. A vivid reflection of its symbolism of the opposing qualities of yin and yang, it is a knife that is sure to please both collectors and users alike.
This is the Versafix from Gerber. The Versafix is a hybrid design combining the functionality of a camp knife and a machete. The robust blade is designed for cutting, chopping, and batoning tasks. The recurved blade geometry near the handle is optimized for whittling and cutting. The weight-forward belly area of the blade is designed to handle path clearing and chopping with ease. The spine of the Versafix features jimping specifically designed for batoning, preventing your baton from glancing or slipping off of the blade. The textured, overmolded handle prevents slippage during wet or dry use. Full tank construction adds a balanced feel and strength to the handle. It's available in Versafix and Versafix Pro configurations. Upgrades to the Versafix Pro include a lightweight skeletonized design with a chiseled finish and a quick-release sheath. The Pro sheath uses a belt loop or lash tabs to mount to a pack. From the trail to the campsite, Versafix is a hybrid that offers durability and versatility.